So we got the second one now. The first one caused us some difficulty. I don't know what took so long, but we ended up scrubbing the first part of the video. We're going to put the second one in now. Hopefully this one works a little faster the first time around. It's already there. It is, and this one's also marked Radio Man 70. Okay, this seems to be the same terminal log. One's marked copy 2. Both of them are the same.
Proceed to mission perimeter 474.
Confirm. Regain interface online.
Copy.
Yes, we should be advised. AMS data is outside expected perimeters. Reinitializing access.
Copy.
Okay, confirm angular velocity. Reinitialized access resulted in no change to anomalous data. Sending downlink.
This is just my support assistant being annoying.
We see it. Cronus is analyzing.
Looks like a localized burst of magnetic energy.
Burst of magnetic energy.
Anything I've seen before.
Again, both of these appear to be identical.
With AMS 02.
Have we heard from Spacecom about any activity in the area?
I'm going to go ahead and turn this off because it's obvious, and like I said, they're marked copy 1, copy 2, same date, same time, same file size, both WAV files.